Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to discuss some very important things about Wi-Fi dashcam camera. So I have this Hupejos Wi-Fi dashcam camera. So I'm going to tell you like how exactly it works and the benefits and other things that it comes with. Okay, so before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. So guys, unboxing I have already done, so I'm not gonna go into that. But yes, with the camera, like I have also made a video about installation of it, so that also I'm not gonna go. But yes, few things you should know, like front and back. Once you stick it, it's fixed. But left and right cameras you can always adjust. Okay, I would say that adjust it at an angle so that your windshield gets like proper view. Okay, for both sides I would recommend, so that you get like a whole area view, because that's what you want, that it should cover the regions that are like clearly visible, and you get more benefits by doing this, so that you have more coverage. Okay, now fine. Now coming to the settings. Now let me go to the settings. Okay, so see, we have dashcam, playback, voice control, dashboard and settings. So voice control is an excellent feature where you can control the camera by voice. We'll come to that, but first let me go to settings. So you see that red color one, that's moving, dashboard and settings. So I click on settings. So I have Wi-Fi, IR, LED, loop record, G sensor, parking. So if I take you to each of these, like format card, definitely I'm not going to, but yeah, I will walk you through that also. So first let's go through Wi-Fi one by one. I'll go Wi-Fi. So you can turn on and off. Okay, and you can do it from the screen also. Okay, and you can also set the frequency also. So it supports both 2.4G and 5G. Okay, now next setting is like IR LED. So you can turn it on, press OK button. Okay, loop record is the next one. I'm sorry, sometimes I press wrong button. So it's 3 minutes I have set. You can change it to 1 minute, 2 minutes. I would recommend 3 minutes. Why to have shorter loops? No reason. G sensor, I have set it in high. Okay. Then parking mode, you should always like enable it, and I would go for high. Right, why not? Next is the language, English, Spanish. English is fine. Then screensaver, I have turned off because I don't need, but you can turn it on, why not? Clock settings is very important. You can set that date and time, and it's easily can be done from here. Sorry. Yeah. Now on the main screen, that you go by pressing M. GPS status, like speed adjust also you can go. I'll go for speed adjust first. Okay. Speed unit, I have selected kilometers. You can say miles also. Time zone is very important, and daylight saving. So let me tell you how it works. Why time zone is important? You can select your time zone as per GMT timelines. And next is daylight saving. So daylight saving is something, right, like if you are in Canada, daylight saving should be on, because if you don't make it on, next time your camera turns off and turn on, it will revert to the default time zone. That's not correct, right? Because GMT -5 is not a whole year, it's gonna be the same time. You will have we are going to have it like time changing also during summer and winter. So that's what we have to do it like that. Okay, so daylight saving has to be on. I'll show you. See, I have turned it on. Otherwise what happens, like if I turn off and turn on, if I don't have it on right now, you see 8:23, it will turn it to 7:23. So that's why it should be on. So that is how okay, now to turn the Wi-Fi on, you need to press this button. See Wi-Fi opening, it will give you the Wi-Fi parameters on the screen also. You can connect using the app and transfer the files if you want. So that's how simple it is, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.